Hello and welcome to part 8 of Breakthrough Chinese Pronunciation from fluentinmandarin.com, the course that helps you to tune up and perfect your Mandarin Chinese pronunciation. So here's a little look at the color scheme that I'm using for the 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese throughout this course. Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at the UANG sound in Pinyin. So let's look at our first example, G-U-A-N-G. If you were seeing this as an English word, you might expect it to be pronounced guang, but it's actually guang, and it's more of a nasal sound. Okay, let's try practicing this sound in some different words.
光线
This word is pronounced in a first tone and a fourth tone, and it means light.
光线 疯狂
This means crazy.
黄色
You probably heard the second tone and the fourth tone here. This means yellow.
服装
The ZH or ZH sound is pronounced a little bit like the J in English, and this word means clothing.
服装凉爽
Means pleasantly cool, and it's pronounced with a second, then a third tone. Okay, that's our pronunciation tips for this video.
Okay, don't stop watching just yet because I've got something really special for you. The tones are a really important part of Chinese, so I've put together a 5-minute Chinese tones trainer, including an ebook and MP3 audio that will help you practice recognizing the tones in Mandarin, in words and in sentences, and you can get it absolutely free. Just click on the link on the screen right now or in the description below this video to sign up, then confirm your email address and I'll send the trainer out to you. Thanks for checking out this video, and see you very soon.